we understood why API is important. We understood different layers in the software. Now, what is API? What is the job of API? Let's just imagine API as an intermediate between two parties. Let's see the real-time example of APIs. This is one of the website where I can search for the flights. So I chose my requirements, my criteria, leaving from, you can choose, let's say, going to, let's say, I chose where I'm going. This is the date. So I'm going on December 9th and I'm coming back on January 7th. This is what my requirement is. This is my request. Now, this Expedia, this website, it took my request. So just imagine it as an application, which is taking the request from the client. So it took my request. As soon as I click on search, at the back end, this search button have lots of APIs connected to it. So when I click on this search, many APIs will get hit. Now, these APIs are related to different companies. Let's just click on it and see. So see, it is hitting. That's why it's taking time. Going to other companies, checking for the details and see. Etihad Airways, it went and searched data from there to the database. It communicated with the database of Etihad Airways, then United, then we have these particular websites, if you see. So what happened in the backend? Let's see that. Now, Expedia is asking me some details to enter. So I will be entering those details. So let's say, first of all, fly from, fly to. So date of flight. So fly from, fly, let's say to. And then here I have date. And here I'm just making it simple, guys, for my just example. So I have a box called search box. All right. So this is my user interface, my client machine. I'm doing it on my machine. I clicked on search. So as soon as you click on the search button, it will take your requirement and it will go to all the different companies, your airways. Let's say Air Canada, British Airways, Etihad Airways. So it will go to all the companies and their databases. Of course, Air Canada will not give access to Expedia on the complete database over here. So these particular companies have created some application layer and some logics for companies like this. They said, okay, search, they went to Air Canada. This is the requirement. Do you have any flight available for this particular date from for these locations? Now, Air Canada have created some response and it will be responding back to Expedia. Same way British Airways will respond back. Same way Etihad Airways will respond. So request is made. Who is making? This is called API. So request is being made. It is responding. Request is being made, responding. Request is being made, responding. So this is called your API. APIs is talking to some other database. Now, of course, they should be authenticated. It is not like everyone can hit Air Canada's database and get the data. You should be authenticated. So they have given some authenticated APIs to Expedia or some other companies to increase their sale, because it will increase eventually their sale. So they have search button, request is made, Air Canada, according to the requirements, will respond back. British Airways, according to their requirements, respond back. Now Expedia has deal with Air Canada that, I'm doing this, please give me your APIs. Expedia is authenticated by Air Canada. So Air Canada is giving them the response. So this is how your APIs work. So these lines we have, this request and this response. This is a job of API. Now, two softwares are interacting with each other, two applications are interacting with each other, and this interface between these two applications is called API. So now you will understand definition of API a little better. So let's go back to it. API acts as an interface between two software applications and allows the two software applications to communicate with each other. API is a collection of software functions that can be executed by another software program. So it is a collection of software functions that can be executed by other software program. So this here is your API. Two softwares are talking to each other. This is a logic. So accordingly, it is fetching the data, giving it back to your other software. Wikipedia will not have its own database. It is taking from other databases according to the logic it is entering over here. So this is your API testing.